'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the ranch, not a creature was stirring, not even a no, Dobby, okay, not a creature was stirring. Girls, you'd sleep all day. The snowflakes were hung in the trees in hopes that St. Nicholas, that doesn't rhyme, the children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Or ice cream. Okay, presents are for the morning. Guys? Pressure. That's for tomorrow. How did you get that? Those were for Santa. That's not even fair. Girls.